Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the Jaguar XE. Today I am going to be fixing a very common issue. So hello everyone and thank you very much for joining me once again. As I said in the intro, today I'm going to be fixing a very common issue. If your exhaust has ever done this, then chances are this could be the culprit. This is an exhaust dampener. Now you have got a possibility that it could be your engine mounts that are also causing the vibration. However, today we're going to tackle this. So first of all, we're going to need to jack up the car. I recently did a video on how to do this and I'll put a link up here on the top left or top right. So click there and then you'll be able to find out exactly how to jack this thing up. Okay, so with the car jacked up and now safely on an axle stand, we can take a look at what is causing that vibration. Now, as you can see here, we have two exhaust dampeners. Now, this one is absolutely fine, nice and solid. This one, on the other hand, absolutely shot. So this is now just literally wiggling around, vibrating, causing the back box to move around and vibrate as well. So let's get this replaced. Now, basically, you can see on this one here, you've got a nice 19mm socket or bolt here, which is going to be exactly the same on this side. So let's get this undone. Okay, so there we go, that is off, and as you can see, absolutely shot to bits. So now let's get the new one on. There we go, job done. So there we go, with just 10 minutes work, I've managed to solve my exhaust rattling issues. Now, this part cost me £49 from eBay. You can get it about £10 cheaper from Jaguar themselves. However, you might have to wait 2 to 3 weeks for it to get delivered. But for the sake of an extra tenner, I was more than happy to pay, especially how bad a condition my one was. A couple more weeks, a couple more months, maybe this is split completely 100% the way through. So I'm glad I've got it done now. So thank you very much for watching. If this has helped you in any way, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit like on this video. But until then, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.